Our friends are building up a new construction. So many purple and orange details. Today we are building up a bridge across the river. Helicopter helps us. He sets red blocks on which the bridge will stand. And truck makes a road out of yellow and purple puzzles. Well done, Crane! We really need these red blocks. Bulldozer also brings 2 blocks. And now Crane and Helicopter are laying the road out of yellow and purple puzzles. The bridge is almost ready. Bulldozer calls for friends so they would help to build banisters. How great! We've coped!